Have you ever had unbearable pain in your lumbar? People talk a lot about detox recipes and diets. However, not everybody knows how they help our bodies. In today's video, we will teach you how to clean your kidneys with 2 natural juices. These juices can strengthen the kidneys, responsible for filtrating and eliminating harmful substances from the body. As we have seen many times here on the channel, the kidneys must always be healthy, since when they don't work, it can cause renal diseases. According to researchers, around 850 million people in the world suffer from kidney disease by many causes. This disease is silent and has almost no visible symptoms, so keeping your kidneys healthy is essential for keeping your body balanced and avoiding any issues. It is best to adopt a natural method for purifying the kidneys and help eliminate any residues that negatively affect them. Let's see how to make pineapple, lemon, and strawberry juice. You will need half a lemon, half of a medium-sized pineapple, 10 fresh or frozen strawberries, and 25 ounces of water. Remove the skin and the middle of the pineapple, then dice it. Add the pineapple cubes and strawberries to the blender. Add 8.5 ounces of water to the blender and blend until smooth. Add the remaining water and the lemon juice, then stir. You can drink this juice in the morning for up to 3 days in a row. Give a 3 weeks interval in between each session. Another juice to try is apple, celery, and cucumber juice. You will need half a cucumber, 2 celery stalks, half an apple, and 25 ounces of drinking water. Peel and seed the cucumber, then dice it and put it in the blender. Cut the celery stalks into small pieces and add them to the blender. Rinse the apple, peel and seed it, then cut in small pieces and add to the blender. Add 8.5 ounces of water to the blender and blend for about 1 minute until smooth. Turn off the blender and pour the juice into another container. Add the remaining water and stir with a spoon. Your juice is ready. Keep it in the fridge. You can drink it every morning for 3 days in a row at most. Give it a 3 weeks pause, then restart the treatment. Now you can clean your kidneys at home with these 2 delicious juices. Did you know any of these recipes already? Share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.